Hello, and welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonneman, and today I get to share with you the MVP Soccer Collection designed by Heidi Rowland. This collection includes 6 stunning papers that are perfect for the soccer player in your life. Let's jump in and take a look at each of the papers in this collection. When you first open your collection kit, I want you to make sure to flip over your packaging because on the back we have given you a bonus soccer ball paper on the back of your cover sheet. So make sure you pull that out and don't throw away the packaging because you've got this great piece of paper that's just an added bonus. This sheet is called Kick It Cards, and it includes cards of different sizes, including 4x6, 4x4, as well as 3x4 cut-aparts. The back of that paper includes this beautiful blue that matches with all of the elements in this collection. This paper is called Goalie, and it includes this awesome striped paper that includes black, blue, yellow, green, and orange. The back of this paper includes this black and white geometric pattern. This is called Soccer Balls, with the soccer balls that you see here on a green background. The back of that paper features a black background with white polka dots. This is the Champion paper. It includes 4 4x6 cut-aparts on the front side, and then this great background with the words soccer, score, team, everything from soccer goals to the field, to soccer balls and cleats, a trophy, a stopwatch, perfect for mixing and matching with all of the elements in this collection. The element sticker sheet includes lots of different fun icons, including a 12-inch border strip at the bottom, fun words, as well as lots of soccer elements, including gloves, the stopwatch, the goal, lots of titles that you could use on your layouts, as well as flags and tags, and even a few frames. This collection would be perfect for a coach's gift or layouts, as well as a mini album, frames. The sky's the limit on what you can do to showcase your favorite soccer player. Thanks for stopping by PHOTOPLAY Paper today, and we hope you enjoy this collection.